Hi! In front of me is Honor 20E, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access device settings. Then choose device connectivity here and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the searcher if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit. Select pair in the pop-up and wait for this device, in my case Oppo, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by clicking on this little gear icon next to the device and selecting Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!